Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Down a Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And all you who are new right on over here, a special welcome to you. Thank you so much for making it West Indian Delights. Those who are there from we started this journey and you're still here, it's a simple manners and respect. Now today, what I want to do for you is number 2 version of the Jamaican curry chicken. I want to show you another way how back then in the days Jamaicans would go about doing some curry chicken, different from the one that I have up. And if you're new right on over here and you have not yet seen my curry chicken video, I'm going to leave in the description of this video the link to that video. Okay? I'm also going to be putting a twist to this and make it a one-pot meal. We're going to be using some potatoes, Irish potatoes. So it's going to be curry chicken and potatoes, one pot. It's a one-pot meal. I'm going to be putting that twist to it. Now, you're going to have your chicken all seasoned. Season your chicken how you'd like to. I've got my chicken right on over here all seasoned. And you know, your scallions, garlic, and ginger. It's a must in the curry chicken. Scallions, garlic, and ginger. It's a must. Do what you want to do outside of that. Season your chicken to your liking. Right on over here, I've got my skillet with some used chicken oil, and I'm going to start to preheat it on the medium. I'm using this amount of oil, and some people might say, lad, it's too much. Well, in my estimation, it's not too much, because I'm going to be browning off my chicken, and after that I'll be removing the excess oil that I don't need. Okay, so if you can get your chicken browned off and you don't use any oil, go ahead, no problem. So what I'm going to do first and foremost right here, I'm going to be removing gently all of the seasonings from my chicken. I don't want any of the scallions or anything, because I'm going to be browning them from side to side. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go gently remove all the seasoning from every single piece of my chicken. When we return, you'll see what's next. Okay, my seasonings have all been removed. And I have all my scallions, my pepper, and all of that right here. Right here, I'm going to be putting right on over here. You see my pot is being heated, and it seems as if it's been too heated. I'm going to be putting in every single piece of this chicken. Very gently. So you want to heat it. So when you put your chicken in, you get that sweet sizzle. You don't want to put it in a cold pot, so it will stick to the pot. We're going to be browning them from side to side on the medium. Okay? On the medium. So when one side is properly brown, medium, that means we're gonna do it really slow. We're not gonna bun it up and fast forward it and run up and down and burn up the pot bottom. We don't want the pot bottom getting burned, because I'm yet to show you how we're gonna do the rest of this curry chicken. Chicken all in, no seasons, try your best. Sometimes one little piece will catch in eye, but remember, I know we are not perfect. So on the medium, right there, you can probably get it up a bit now because the chicken inside there, and it has dropped the temperature of the oil. So on the medium, we're going to leave it. When we are ready to turn, we'll come back to you. So we have our seasonings right on over here. Let me get my hands washed. So we have our excess seasoning right on over there. And we're going to let that brown from side to side, properly brown, pretty brown color. That's our seasoning, so we can get it out of the way. Now we have here some potatoes. That is 2.5 pounds of chicken, and you can use any part of the chicken you so desire. This is like a little less than 2 pounds, so you could even up the potatoes with the chicken. 2.5. So I'm gonna go now peel my potatoes and come back to show you how you cut them. Leave them in some water and show you when we'll put them, and everything will start coming together. Because right here I've got my curry, and I'm going to use my curry in a different way. Okay, now family, we're about to turn our chicken pieces, and that is how you want to have them. Nice brown color. So And then you also have some excess grease from the chicken, but we'll show you how we're gonna do that, okay? Some might be properly brown, some might not. You need to make your assessment of that because you know how you want it looking. So if when you touch it, it's not ready to turn, then you leave it. As soon as they're properly fried on one side and you come and turn, they will turn. Now we're gonna leave these until they are properly fried. But this is how you want each side to be looking. So you're gonna turn and let it fry, and when all of these chicken pieces are properly fried from side to side, we will come back to that part right there. Now right on over here, I have my potatoes all peeled. Try to get the potatoes these size, okay? Because you don't want them to be too large. If they're too large, you'll have to cut them a different way. Now, I'm cutting them like this, flat, okay? But if they are larger, you might have to cut them in the quarter. So I have my potatoes, and you can choose whatever potatoes you have. You guys up there, you have a wide variety of potatoes to choose from. In Jamaica, we don't. Sometimes the ones that we like, they are not of good quality when we do see them. The one that has a little sort of light brown, you know, the other ones that are blanc shape, they are nice potatoes. I'm not sure what the name. So you want to cut your potatoes like this. I want one potato them cook out, one potato for either the thing. And to be honest, with the 2.5 pounds of chicken, we could have probably another half a pound, maybe 2 more potatoes like this. So you can just do the adjustment to what you're doing, okay? So we're going to leave our potatoes in the water, because you know we have to leave them in the water, then we oxidize and all of that. And we are going to return when all of those chicken pieces are properly fried from side to side, and you're going to see how we are going to start the ball rolling with the curry. Okay family, our chicken pieces have all been browned off. We have removed our excess oil from our pot. We leave a little in there. We might still want a little bit, but we'll see. This is what we have left, and we want all of these niceness from the chicken. We need it. So we have our seasonings here. We are gonna scrape every single bit. And red hot, yes, and nervous, me did nervous. No, it's not red hot. It was blessed and highly favored. And nervous, your girl did nervous. I should have rinsed out the seasoning pot with the hot water. Nervous, me nervous. Pick up yourself. Now, we have our seasonings. I've turned my flame off. There's no flame here. So we want to get all this very gently. And if at this point, this little thing, gurgle, and I tell you when that is happening is your nerves. Your nerves need some treatment. When it bothers you like this, it is your nerves. So we don't have any heat on right here. So we try to get our scallions a little bit going through, and with pepper, because we want all of this niceness. Now we're going to put our heat back on, but down to almost to low. Now right inside here now, we are going to put our curry. You need to measure your curry. You know me not going to measure none, eh? And by this, you should not be measuring your curry if you're on the Jamaican cooking journey. My curry is strong. I think that should do the trick. With my flame right back up, and I'm on the medium, I'm going to be using a little excess oil because I want my curry to burn. With my scallions, of course, and my pepper, we are going to be proceeding to burn this curry. Our flame is up again. Our flame is back on. Now really gently. Don't do it too high because you don't want it getting burned. We are going to go right now. Very gently, very nice, and oh Lord, if you smell the flavor of this curry. Okay? We're burning the curry and the scallions in this niceness. Okay, so we're going to do this, and when we return, you're going to see all the thing I got turn up. Huh? Okay? We're still here on the low. At this point, you know you should have your hot water. If you're new right on over here, as soon as you start cooking, you're supposed to have your hot water. We did put the camera from me. We did this on the low because we don't want the group. Even if you have that thing there, that the range with something there, you still don't want it because it will go right through, and all the curtain then we absorb it. So you do it on the low. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Get up every bit of this beauty. Now, gently. Nobody mess up your clothes. Put in your chicken slices. Now, you can up your flame to medium. You can up your flame to medium. Whilst doing that, you're going to be coating up these little chicken pieces in this nice little curry thing. Okay? You can see we flame up. You see everything I get bad and I get back up to par. Huh? Blessed and highly favored. I'm going to do what I was supposed to do the last time. A little bit of a hot water. Rinsing out my seasoning to this side. To the side, y'all. You know that. Also, a little bit into this that we add the chicken in. And we're going to put it to the side. Okay. Now, we're still on almost to low. And all of that. Look at this. Now, right here, we are going to be removing our potatoes. And we are going to be putting them right in. Okay? Because it's one pot and the potato them ready for go in now. For finish cook down with the chicken. We don't want the potatoes mashing out. No, we don't. We want them to have them as food to eat with the chicken or as a staple with the chicken. Come on now. Let's get some coating going on for them potato here. Really gently, really nice. Really slow and all of that. Okay, and all of that. Okay. So, let us coat them up. Real gently. Real gently. No more water at this point. No more water at this point. A little less than medium. Not fully low. Halfway between medium and low. Constantly. Nobody let you go too far. Nobody let you go and talk to your friend. And when you come back, it dry out and the thing. So look at this. Look at the liquid we have. Okay, nice pretty liquid. So we're going to cover up our pot now. And you remember, we're going to leave it on between medium and low. Okay, when we come back, yeah, so me I go show you how you put in the water a little at a time, and when you're supposed to have the potatoes ready. Oh, we don't want the potato to cook and to kind of mashed potato. So go. Okay, now family, and you know me tell you, say you always keep your spoon in the hot water. Yeah, your curry spoon. So look at this now. Halfway between medium and low. And you see, so with liquid, it has start to dry out. That's why I told you don't go far. So you're gonna come now to the side. You're gonna put like about, that is about a quarter cup, no more than a quarter cup each time. And you're gonna stir. Make sure everything is well distributed, because sometimes the stove them not like how them supposed to look. Some of the burner them no level, and some of the pot them no level either. So you gently try to keep the potatoes on the flat side. Okay, so you scoop up a bit of your liquid and you make sure everybody coated on this low flame here. So this is what we call like the simmering, the stewing down of the potatoes with the chicken. Look at it. You see the mellowness of it. Slowly. You don't cook these things in a hurry. So you come and you try to distribute your little liquid evenly. You stir around gently. Nobody come with the whole heap of agnature thing and the whole. You understand? Just take your time gently and make sure when you're through, you're supposed to have your nice thick rich gravy. Okay? When we return, this thing will all be finished and we'll be plating for you. Okay, family, let's go. Now we are still on the simmering, and as I told you, this is this type of eat. This is how you want it on the simmering. Simmering, so you have your nice gravy. And remember, this is 2.5 pounds of chicken to 1.5 pound of potato. And I think it fared out okay. But we don't want too much chicken and we don't want too much potato. So look at your gravy right now and all of that, and make sure you had your salt content, everything. During that time you should have checked. Okay? So look at this now. You want to check your potatoes right now, but you don't want to put any fork. You want to use a toothpick to check your potatoes. You want to check your potatoes to be cooked. You don't want them mashed, right? So you want to use a toothpick, and it goes right down in there. If you use a fork, it will just open your potato pieces, and you don't want that to happen. You want to have them serving whole. So at this point now, our potatoes are almost cooked. Them just like, so you want to turn your flame off, and then you can go ahead, remove your little excess scallion whilst doing that, or after you do that. Oh Lord, I'm so tired. Go ahead now, turn your flame off, leave it to rest for 15 minutes, and then that heat we just got through the potatoes. The potatoes, them were ready. Them were nice, soft and juicy. You don't want them break out. You don't want them breaking to serve. You don't want to break up potato. You see what I'm saying? You want the potato slices to be in perfect order. So with that heat there, with it on the heat, the hot burner, and with that heat inside there, when you're ready to serve within the next 10, I would say 15 minutes or so, you would just come, or let us just say 10 to 12. You would remove your scallions, and when we come back, we are going to plate. The potato should be in perfect order. Okay, now family, it's plating time. So it's plating time, so you still want to gently remove. And if you have extra scallions, you can serve it too, because nothing is wrong. If you want to remove them, you can remove them, because me eat my scallion them enough. You know, but for serving purposes, you can go ahead, because we use the scallions, because you know we want a lot of the scallions in there. So you want to, while plating, you want to try to, you know, put potatoes. So you put chicken, you put potatoes. You don't want to have the potatoes them to one side and the chicken to one side, you know. So let's go finish this and return to you, huh? All done family, all plated up, and there you have it, our one pot curry chicken and potatoes. Now if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, please do enjoy. From my Jamaican kitchen to your plate, to your family table, to wherever you are, it's a one pot curry chicken and potatoes. Please enjoy. Family, please stay with me. The time is so hot and it gets you so distracted. It is really hot. Even though you're using the fan, it is just so hot. So if you have liked this video, remember, give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments below. Okay? When if you want to be a member for post notification crew, you just do what I just said. Remember to subscribe. Remember to click the button when you do. Leave your comments below. Therefore, you will be a part of the post notification crew. And today's, oh my word, post notification shout out goes to Yolanda Bradford. Yolanda, big up yourself, manners and respect. I love you too, honey. Now, remember, I just told you what it is. It is another way of making your curry chicken. You can omit the potatoes. As I told you, I added the potatoes for a one pot dish. Also to show you, you can do this. You can do this for a Sunday dinner, and you can make some roti. Make some roti instead of every Sunday you cook rice and peas. The family just tired. Honestly, I think so. Right? So you just make some nice rotis, have some nice vegetable, crispy vegetable salad, make your juice and stuff, and you just dish it up. And have your potatoes, you eat your potatoes, dip in your gravy as you go along, bite your roti, dip your roti in it. Manners and respect once more. Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless. No stress.